All right, we're going to look at D, and we're going to do two more of these together before I let you work on your own here. Again, we're trying to get x by itself on a side, but first we need to combine some things together. So things in this problem on one of the sides of the equal sign that goes together would be like 3x, 2x, and x. If we put all these things together, we would get 6x, and then we would still have our minus 39 equals negative 36. Now we can start our inverse operation process. We've got a minus 39 or a negative 39. Inverse operation would be positive 39. That would cancel out. Over here we'd have to add 39 over here. Negative 36 and 39 is going to be 3. So now we have 6x equals 3. Times 6, inverse operation would be to divide by 6. That will cancel that out. Divide by 6 here. 3 divided by 6 is just going to be half, or 0.5. So I can put my x equals 0.5 in there, and that's going to be my answer. And I can circle that. Now I just have to check and make sure that that's actually right. So if I put 0.5 in for everything up here, 0.5 is just like, if I'm going to times something by 0.5, it's just like dividing by 2. 3 times 0.5 is going to be 1.5. If I do 2 times 0.5, that would just be 1. And if I just put 0.5 in here, now I've got negative 39. Should equal 36 when I put all these things together. If I put all these things together, 1.5 and 0.5 would be 2, plus another 1 is going to be 3. So I've got 3 minus 39. Positive 3 take away 39 is 36. So that one checks out, and I know that my answer down here is also correct. All right, we'll throw one in here that has some division in it, which is not any different. We're still trying to get the x by itself on one of the sides, but we still have to combine some things together first. There's nothing to combine together over here. Over here there is. We've got a negative 9, we've got a negative 81, and we've got a negative 21. So if we put all those together, let's see, negative 9 and negative 81 would be negative 90. Negative 90 and negative 21 would be negative 111. So I can change all that to negative 111, and then over here I would just have x divided by 5, and I'm still going to have my equals negative 1. Once we've got everything combined together, we can start our inverse operation process here. I got to get rid of pluses and minuses first, so I've got a negative 111 or a minus 111. That's going to be plus 111. That gets rid of that. If we add 111 to this side, 111 and negative 1 is just like 111 minus 1. It's just going to be 110. So now I have x over 5 equals 110. So for inverse operations here, I have a divide by 5, which I need to turn into a times 5. Inverse operations, it's times 5. Inverse operations will cancel out, just leaving x. Now I need to times this by 5. And if I do 110 times 5, well, 100 times 5 is 500. 10 times 5 is 50, so that's going to be 550. So x would equal 550. Now I just have to put this into the original problem and make sure I am correct. If I put 550 in for x, 550 divided by 5, going back to what we had down here, 550 or 110 times 5 was 550, so 550 divided by 5 is going to be 110. So I can cross that off and make it 110. Now I can just solve the problem. 110, let's see, 110 minus 9 would be 101. So I'm just going to keep rewriting this here to keep everything straight. 101 minus, I'll do the smaller one, minus 21. Well, 101 minus 1 is just going to be 100. Then minus 20 is going to be 80. Now I just have to do 80 minus 81. 80 minus 81 is negative 1. That checks out, so our answer down here is also correct. Those are the 5 practice problems I'm going to give you for this. So now you'll be responsible for trying them on your own, and I'll have checking sheets ready for you. But if you have any questions on this, just please make sure you let me know.